On June 19th, the French national CERT published a report in IOCs on the Nobelium group, known for its intrusions, most likely for espionage purposes, into the information systems of European and American administrations, but also into those of major IT companies such as SolarWinds, Microsoft, and TeamViewer this week. An interesting point in the indicators of compromise published by CERT.fr is the use of Wineloader. From a sample, I was able to observe that Wineloader, like many legitimate applications, relies on the Microsoft HTML application system binary, in this case, to download its payload. Detecting a TLS connection established by Microsoft HTML application to a server not responding to a known application seems to be an interesting weak signal for the early detection of an attack. After opening the sample, a connection from the Microsoft HTML application binary is quickly observed. If this connection from .exe doesn't point to a server used by a known application, it's worth triggering an alert, as this Suricata rule does. The JA3 fingerprint identifies a TLS connection established by the mshta.exe executable. Here we can see the malicious domain of the server to which the connection was established. This malicious domain is one of the indicators of compromise provided by CERT.fr.